How to cancel universal credit claim online. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel your universal credit by claiming online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. We're going to do this through gov.uk. So this is a web page that you need to go. And here you have a search bar where you must type universal credit in order to get a different variety of articles. So here in universal credit, you can check different contents, and indeed there is the option of how to claim. That's the content, the section that we are interested in. And here you know how to claim. So you can apply for universal credit online. You need to create an account. You use it to make it a claim. I mean, you must to log in into this account in order to make the claim. And you must to complete your claim within 28 days of creating your account, or you will have to start again. So you must to check if you're better off on universal credit before you apply. There are some requirements into your application. Here's where you can apply for universal credit online. And if you need help with your claim, there are two ways to get help with your universal credit claim. You can either call the universal credit helpline. These are the numbers that you need to the universal credit helpline, or use the help to claim service. So here is the help to claim, and there are two different links. If you get help to claim if you live in England or Wales, or get help to claim if you live in Scotland. There is some more info. Perhaps this is gonna help you, but if you're sure of which link you must go in, let's suppose is this is gonna redirect you to a new page where you can find some more info. You can call some other national phone line in order unit, or you can talk them online. Remember that the chat with an advisor online about your universal credit application is available from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday, and it's not available on public holidays. If you can't see a chat button, it means no advisors are available. So you must try again later or call their phone line. And that's how it works. By now I can't find that chat button because I'm on Friday and I'm out of this schedule. So remember, try again later, wait for another week, and that's how it works. That's how you can claim to your universal credit online here on gov.uk and in this other page, citizenadvice.org.uk. Thanks for watching.